This is your boy, Bad Boy Billy Sly. I'm at 6340 tonight. Mike Neely from Def Jams is in the house. Yo, your boy, Bad Boy Billy Sly is in the house. Yeah, POPP the Rippa from the MIA is in the building. Smoke and Gina, your host, are in the building. And my homegirl, Crystal with a C, is going to be in the place to be. So you need to be in that joint tonight. 6340 GA 85. Now that's 6340 Route 85 in Georgia, in Riverdale, baby. And that's where it's all going down. What's the name of the club? Guess what? Too easy. 6340. So your boy, Sly Entertainment Records, Mike Neely from Def Jams, POPP the Rippa, MIA Stand Up, Smoke, Gina, and Crystal with a C, is all going to be in the building with me, your boy, Bad Boy Billy Sly. That's tonight. I'll be there at 9/2100 for you military type. And it goes on and on and on until we get done, and that could be to the break of dawn. This is your boy, Bad Boy Billy Sly, and I'm out. Peace. Yeah.